Yes indeed, Chris Smith back again with another video. Now I know I've been away for a little while, but I'll just jump right in as though I never left. In this video we'll have a quick unboxing and overview of the Aukey 90w 3-port power delivery wall charger. Now, having bought the 60W variant of this charger about a year ago to charge my Dell XPS 15, I can tell you that the unboxing experience here seems very familiar. You get the charger itself in a small plastic pouch inside of a cardboard box. Now, I chose to go with the matte black version of this charger, and it is quite sleek and compact, and I really admire their design choices that has given us such a powerful charger that is also aesthetically pleasing. Now, I got this device so I'd be able to charge my M1 MacBook Air at full speed while also being able to charge my OnePlus 17. Now, those two devices are USB-C devices, but I also needed to charge my Fitbit Versa 2, which is why I needed a charger that had USB-A as well. And now for a quick rundown of the output specs of this charger, which I'll put up on the screen. Now, I've also gone ahead and done some screen recordings to show you guys just how much power is being output to the MacBook Air. It's detecting 90 watts if it's the only device connected to either of the two USB-C ports. Now, if multiple devices are connected and the laptop is connected to USB-C 1, it detects 60 watts. However, if two USB-C devices are connected and the laptop is connected to USB-C 2, which is the middle port, it detects 30 watts. Also, if all three ports are being used, the middle port will detect 15 watts. So there you have it, guys. The Aukey 90w 3-port power delivery wall charger is definitely one that I would recommend. It's great for travel and it's great for home. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to this channel. And as always, big up on yourself.